This is my 5-photo story about our trip to Seattle, my family's trip to Seattle in July of 2018. We were actually visiting friends, so we actually got to do a lot of things that were a little not necessarily touristy. In the first few days that we were there, we actually visited 2 separate beaches, and it was really relaxing and nice. Got to play around in the water. The kids went paddleboarding. It was just 2 full, nice, relaxing days, enjoying some scenery. We also went to a Seattle Mariners game, and instead of traveling there by car, we actually took a water taxi across the water, and it was a cool experience too. You'll notice my hair is blowing in the wind in this picture. We also visited the Seattle Zoo, and they, in the middle of the zoo, have a really cool nature-based play area for the kids, which was awesome. My 4-year-old and my 11-year-old really enjoyed this experience. It was an enclosed area, but looked essentially like the woods right in the middle of the zoo. It was a unique experience. You do have to do some touristy things, and so we did go up to the top of the Space Needle on one of our last days there, which was an enjoyable experience. But as with all vacations, the coming back is hard. So this is my little one. He's crashed on the plane on the ride home. And that is our vacation, my 5-photo story. Thanks.